Welcome to our video on how to send an email through a service repair order. Let's begin. From the Service app, click the Service Repair Orders tab and select the desired record. Click the drop-down button and click Email Service Repair Order. The customer account, email address, and subject are automatically filled. You can add a CC address and change the subject if needed. Next, enter your message in the text body. To attach a file, enter the file name and click Choose File. Select the file from your computer and click Upload. A message will be displayed if the attachment uploaded successfully. Click Send Email. And that's how you send an email related to a service repair order. Thanks for watching.